Hi guys, how can you create a dodge and burn effect in Photoshop? First, go to Adjustment Layer Curves. Drag the curve slightly downward to darken the image. Rename this layer Burn. Next, create another curves adjustment layer. This time, drag the curve upward to brighten the image. Rename this layer Dodge. Now select the burn layer mask. Go to Image Adjustments, Invert or press Ctrl+I. Do the same for the Dodge layer mask. Both masks should now be black, hiding the effects. Next, select the brush tool. Brush size, 62 pixels. Brush type, soft round brush. Foreground. Color, paint on the burn mask where you want to darken the image. White paint on the Dodge mask where you want to brighten the image. To soften the effect, double-click the Dodge layer mask and open the Properties panel. Set the feather value to around 25.6 pixels. Repeat the same process for the burn layer mask and set its feather to 25.6 pixels as well. Now lower the opacity of both layers to around 80% for a more natural look. Finally, hold Shift and select both the Dodge and Burn layers, then press Ctrl+G to place them into a group. And that's it. This is before and this is after. This is how you can create a professional Dodge and Burn effect in Photoshop to add depth, contrast, and dimension to your photos.